About slipping and falling inside a store. The people with the answers are attorneys Greg Fellerman and Molly Clark, who is here for Ed. Guys, welcome today.
Thanks for having us.
You bet. Let's get to the question tonight. And this involves an interesting scenario for Joe in Scranton. Joe says, my dad went back to work part-time at a local store. He ended up slipping and falling inside the store when he was working. He's 70 years old and he isn't really doing well since the fall and hasn't returned to work. What can he do? And Molly, may he have a couple of things to do here?
He could, depending on the circumstances. Joe, you would probably have a workers' compensation claim because it was during the course and scope of his employment. However, if there were other contractors on the scene or at the facility, you may also have a slip and fall case. So you should probably contact a lawyer to see what avenues that you could pursue. Right, Greg?
Yes, Molly. I think when you have these, and again, it's unfortunate, the older gentleman goes back to work and he gets injured, and they're older, obviously. They're still protected under the Workers' Compensation Act, regardless of their age or the status of the work, meaning if it's full-time or part-time. Those laws still apply, so he will be entitled to get lost wages and his medical bills paid. And then what Molly was talking about, for example, again, we need more facts, but if, let's say, another contractor was in there and they were doing the floors and they were wet, he fell, that could be a potential case against that contractor, because the father cannot sue his employer except for workers' compensation. So that's why you got to pick up the phone, you call a lawyer, and they can kind of sort through all that. But in this situation, we need more facts.
All right, for those that need some help in a complicated legal scenario, how can they reach you?
Give us a call, 570-714-HURT. See us on the web, 714hurt.com.
All right, and don't forget Fellerman and Ciarimboli on social media as well. Results matter with attorneys Greg Fellerman and Molly Clark. Thank you for being here. And don't forget PAHomepage.com and the Law New Hotline are always there for you.